This is a training guide on how to log into your WordPress site for the Ormond Beach Montessori School. First and foremost, you'll be given your username and password. Once you've gone into it once, you'll probably be able to save it. But to show you how easy it is, I'll be also emailing you over the link how to log in. But just so that you know, anywhere you are in the world that has internet, you can just put wp-admin behind the URL. So /wp-admin, it will populate this page, and here's where you put your username and password. Once you log in, this is the generic back admin of the WordPress for your particular site. Rule of thumb, what I like to do when I'm designing is hover over this area, hold down, Shift or Control or Command if you're on a Mac. Just open up another page so you can actually see visually what's going on. At that point, depending on whatever page, now that you're in the back admin over here on this page in this dashboard, you can access all the pages and things of that nature on the left-hand side here. But primarily, when you want to change any of the aesthetics on per page basis, just pull up that page now by just surfing the website, and you'll notice this top nav bar now is only something that the admins can see once logged in. So this is the same rules that apply to any of the sub pages, but we'll just take the home page for an example. And the very first thing that you'll do is, like any other page, you'll just hit edit page once you're logged in. And that's going to pull up an admin area specifically just for the home page. Now we're using a builder, so go ahead and disregard this area, and you're just going to go scroll down, and everything is in order from exactly what we're seeing, and we're going to do that on the tab here, just like what we're seeing in the home page. So everything that's in order. So right here, that very first section with the testimonials, that's right here with the testimonials. Okay. The slider, just so we know, the slider is controlled over here, the Revolution slider. So that's the only area that you'd have to go ahead and click on for the home page to control the slides. And you'll see right here is where those slides are. So you can go here and edit. But once you, disregarding just the slide area, this is where everything on the site is controllable. So after the testimonials, you'll see collaborators. You'll scroll down, and you kind of have to, anytime you want to edit them, you just click on this little link area here, and you'll see collaborators and then all the settings that are on there with that. Same thing below. These are sometimes these do not identify exactly what is going on here. So for instance, the back admin thinks that these are quote unquote clients, but what we have here is that's just what it's calibrated as, but you'll notice here is where we housed the photos for that particular section. But most importantly, that's exactly how you edit any of the internal pages on the site. And anything below the visual, anything that's below here on this is editable here on the widget section. So the only two areas you need to pay attention to that are not accessible when you're editing the page in the back admin is the widgets, which control the areas behind, below, and the slider, which is identified here. Once you've made those changes, so for instance, if you come in here and you want to change some of the script, images, etc., it's very important to always make sure that in this area, once you're edited, you always hit the save. And on the right hand side, before any of the effects will take change, you have to hit update. At that point, any of the changes that you've made will take action right away. Hope this helped.